if x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4, four roots of this biquadratic equation in terms of x, then find the value of tan inverse of x1, means x1 first root, second root, third root, fourth root. Okay, this is the question. Now, in theory of equations, 1 into biquadratic, let us take the biquadratic equation x to the power of 4 plus something p into x cubed, means what? X to the power of 4 quotient must be unity, plus q into x square plus r into x plus s, that is equal to 0. For example, this is biquadratic equation. For example, if this equation has 4 roots, namely x1, x2, x3, x4, then the first discussion is sum of the roots. Sum of the roots means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. Of course, it is simply denoted by S1, means first sum. S stands for sum, 1 stands for first sum. Similarly, another is S2. Okay, it is a simple representation sigma x1, just like that. And S2 is 2, means taking 2 at a time, means x1, x2, sigma x1, x2. Next, number 3 will be third sum, means S3, means sum of the product of the roots taking at a time 3 roots, x1, x2, x3. Next, fourth one, it is represented by S4. Of course, it is only product, x1 into x2 into x3 into x4. These are the 4 different values. Okay, so that is equal to, it is equal to, it is equal to, it is equal to. First, put minus letter, plus letter, minus letter, plus. Alternative signs. Letter P, Q, R, S. Take all the quotients. P, Q, R, S. So, this is according to theory of equations, and something about the 4 roots of biquadratic equation. Similarly, we can establish S1, S2, S3 for cubic equation in terms of x. Okay, here, according to this, S1 is equal to S1. S1 means already x to the power of 4 quotient 1 is there. If 1 is not there, something number is there, we have to divide by itself throughout the equation first. Anyhow, before writing S1, S2, S3, S4 values, first we make it the x to the power of 4 quotient be unity. So already 1 is there. Okay, no problem. So therefore S1, S2, S3 and S4 minus, plus, minus, plus. Next quotient, x cubed quotient, means we are writing p value. P means minus sine to b, minus sine to, beta, to beta, means it is sine to beta. Next, S2 means this one, cos to beta, cos to beta. S3 minus cos beta, minus cos beta, that is equal to, it is cos 2 beta, this one is plus cos beta. Next, last one is minus sine beta, that is equal to minus sine beta, minus sine beta. Okay, next, what is the question? Question equal to tan inverse of x1 plus tan inverse of x2 plus tan inverse of x3 plus tan inverse of x4. Already I said the formula in basic classes, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, one formula. Next, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of z equal to something tan inverse of x plus y plus z minus xyz divided by 1 minus of xy plus yz plus zx, like that. Of course, two cases are there. If xy plus yz plus zx equals to 1, it is pi by 2. I said the same. Okay. But it is matter of 4 values. Therefore, the question tan inverse of x1 plus tan inverse of x2 plus tan inverse of x3 plus tan inverse of x4 equal to tan inverse of s1 minus s3 by 1 minus s2 plus s4. It is the standard formula for 4 roots. Okay. Here we have to substitute s1 instead of s1 sin 2 beta, s3 cos beta, s2 cos 2 beta, s4 minus sin beta. It is very difficult to simplify that interior value. That is why we are taking beta equal to 90 degrees. This is the shortcut for this question. Okay. When beta is equal to 90 degrees, then s1 becomes 180, 0. Next 90 into 180 means minus 1, cos pi minus 1. Next cos 90, 0. Next sin 90, 1 means minus 1. It is enough to simplify these values. So that is equal to tan inverse of s1 value 0 minus s3 value 0. Then we need not to calculate the denominator, that is equal to 0. This is the shortcut. It is useful shortcut in trigonometry also. Whenever you are having the number of terms in numerator and denominator in terms of alpha, beta, theta, etc., delta, like that, you please take some random simple value, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, 0 degrees, like that. Here it is better to take 90 degrees. Okay, the answer is 0. So on putting beta equal to 90 degrees, which option gives 0? Only second option. Only second option gives 0 on putting beta equal to 90 degrees. 90 minus 90, 0. Hence the question. If cot inverse of x whole square minus 7 into cot inverse of x plus 10 greater than 0, then x lies in the interval. 4 options are given. This type of questions are also important for any competitive examination. Okay. First, let cot inverse of x is equal to something small a. Then the given inequation becomes a square minus 7a plus 10 is greater than 0. So by factorization it is a square minus 5a minus 2a plus 10. So that product is 10 and sum is minus 7. So that implies a common, a minus 5 minus 2 into a minus 5 is greater than 0. That implies a minus 5 into a minus 2 is greater than 0. So already I said about this relation. Then a belongs to open interval of minus infinity comma to union phi 2 plus infinity, because when a less than b, if x minus a into x minus b is less than 0, it is greater than 0. First we discuss greater than 0. Then x belongs to open interval of minus infinity a union b2 plus infinity. Of course, less than 0, if x minus a into x minus b is less than 0, then x belongs to open interval of a comma b. Of course. Okay. So therefore a means what? Cot inverse x. Cot inverse x that belongs to open interval of minus infinity to 2 union phi 2 plus infinity. Okay, let it be statement number 1. But what is the range of cot inverse x? Already I said in the synopsis. Cot inverse x, cot inverse x belongs to open interval of 0 comma pi. Means what? That is 0 less than cot inverse of x is less than pi, means approximate equal to 3.14. Let it be statement number 2 or in equation 2. Okay, now we have to find the common or combined solution for 1 and 2. First, let us draw the real line. So this is a 0. Of course, it is minus 1, minus 2, and so on. It is minus infinity. Next, it is 1, it is 2, and so on. This is 5, 6, just like that up to plus infinity. First, statement number 1, minus infinity to 2, open interval of 2. Minus infinity to 2 means this area, blue area, like that up to minus infinity. Next, 5 to plus infinity. 5, open interval of 5. That's why we are not taking 5. Already I said the definitions of open interval and closed interval and half intervals. Okay. Next, second, cot inverse of x lies between 0 to 3.14. 0 to means open interval of 0, 3.14. For example, 1 to 3. For example, if it is 3, 3.14 means let it be, this is pi. Pi means 3.14. So up to pi, open interval of pi means like that up to 3.14. 3 is included here. So let us shade with the black ink. Okay. So therefore, the combined solution is cot inverse x belongs to open interval of 0 comma open interval of 2, means blue and black. This is our required common solution area. Here, cot inverse of x belongs to open interval of 0 to 2. That is 0 less than cot inverse x is less than 2. Remember main point, tan x is a increasing function in all quadrants. So its reciprocal cot x is decreasing in all quadrants. Similarly, tan inverse x is increasing, cot inverse x is decreasing. So here please don't write like that. Cot 0 less than x less than, it is nothing but pi less than cot pi. Actually, cot 0 means what? Cos 0 by sin 0. Cos 0 1, sin 0 0 means it is infinity less than x less than cot pi. Cot pi means what? Cos pi divided by sin pi. Here, but we are having 0 to 2. 0 to 2 means it is okay. 0 cos 0 means 1 by 0 infinity. 1 by 0 infinity. Later next, I am telling that cot 0 less than x less than cot 2. Cot 0 is what? Cos 0 by sin 0. Cos 0 1, sin 0 0, infinity. Means what? We are writing infinity less than x is less than something cot 2. Don't write like that. Write like that. Cot 2 less than x less than infinity, because it is decreasing function. So therefore x belongs to open interval of cot 2 comma infinity. Cot 2 comma infinity. Here we need not discuss other values. Just first once again, first statement is cot inverse x is belongs to open interval of minus infinity comma 2 union 5 comma infinity. Okay, we represented or we shaded. Next, cot inverse of x belongs to, means this is 0 less than, cot inverse x less than 3.14, means it is pi, nothing but pi. Okay, so 0 to pi we represented like that. So common area 0 to 2. So cot inverse of x is belongs to open interval of 0 comma 2, means that 0 less than cot inverse x less than 2. Since cot 0 infinity, don't write infinity less than x less than cot 2. It is wrong expression. So therefore we must write cot 2 less than x less than infinity. So x belongs to open interval of cot 2 comma infinity. This is one important question. That's the problem. Next question. The value of x for which cos inverse of cos 4 is greater than 3x square minus 4x. Here first we discuss the value cos inverse of cos 4. Actually cos inverse of cos theta or cos x is equal to x for all x belongs to closure interval of 0 comma pi. 0 comma pi means that is closure interval of 0 comma approximately equal to 3.14. But this x value 4 is not belongs to this interval. So therefore it is not equal to 4, since 4 is not belongs to closure interval of 0 comma pi. Pi means it is 3.14. Then what is cos inverse of cos 4? Now let us calculate or find. Cos inverse of cos 4 is equal to, actually cos 4 is equal to, we can write cos of means cos theta is equal to cos of 2 pi minus theta. We can write like that. Means what I am telling, that cos of 2 pi minus theta means fourth quadrant, that is equal to cos theta. Okay, according to Pascal formula it is right. So we can write the cos of 2 pi minus 4 is equal to cos 4. Okay, next another test is there. 2 pi means what? 2 into 3.14. So 2 into 3.14 into 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, next 2 3 is 6. Minus 4 means 2.28. I am asking one question. Is it belongs to closure interval of 0 comma 3.14, that is pi. Yes. Therefore we can write cos 4 equal to cos of 2 pi minus 4, first step. So it is cos inverse of cos 2 pi minus 4. Okay, so there is no loss of generality. That equal to 2 pi minus 4. Before means what I am telling, that cos inverse of cos x means we are using this formula. Cos inverse of cos x equal to x. So I wrote x. Before writing x, we have to verify is x belongs to closure interval of 0 comma pi or not. Yes, evidence. This is the evidence or verification. So therefore cos inverse of cos 4 equal to simply 2 pi minus 4. Now come to given in equation. It is a cos inverse of cos 4 is greater than 3x square minus 4x. So cos inverse of cos 4 is 2 pi minus 4. It is greater than 3x square minus 4. So that implies 0 is greater than 3x square minus 4x minus of 2 pi minus 4. So therefore that implies 3x square minus 4x minus of 2 pi minus 4 is less than 0. Now rough work. You come here. Let us find the factors. For example, let us consider 3x square minus 4x minus of 2 pi minus 4, that is equal to 0. Consider the equation. Of course, it is in equation. Let it be. In rough work, do like that. Then x equal to already we did know x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So therefore, according to this, a is equal to 3, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus of 2 pi minus 4. So x equal to minus b 4 plus or minus square root of b square means 16 minus 4a. C means minus into minus plus into 2 pi minus 4 divided by 2 into a. So therefore x equal to 4 plus or minus, here we can take 4 common, means out of the root it is 2 into square root of 4 plus 3 into, only it remains 3 means 6 pi minus 12, like that. So divided by 2 into 3. So therefore dividing by 2, it remains 2 plus or minus square root of 6 pi minus 8 divided by 2 cancel. It is 3. So therefore x equal to 1 root is 2 minus root of 6 pi minus 8 divided by 3. Let it be small a, and another root x equal to, let it be small b, 2 plus root of 6 pi minus 8 divided by 3. So therefore b equal to plus positive root, it is greater than 0, and a equal to 2 minus something. So anyhow here a is less than b. So therefore here it is nothing but x minus a into x minus b is less than 0. A is what? A is this root. B is what? That root. So therefore x belongs to open interval of, we can write a comma b. That is x belongs to open interval of a means what? 2 minus root of 6 pi minus 8 divided by 3, b 2 plus 6 pi minus 8 whole divided by 3. So therefore which option is right? Clearly fourth option is right. Next important question, if alpha is the real root, only the real root of the cubic equation. According to principle of algebra, the cubic equation will have the 3 roots. Out of 3 roots, he is saying that alpha, one root is a real root. Only one root is real root. Alpha is a real number. Okay. In such a case, what is the value of tan inverse of alpha plus tan inverse of 1 by alpha? Okay. 4 options are given that. Later we discuss the cubic equation. First, in inverse trigonometric functions, means in our present topic, we notice that tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to plus pi by 2 if x comma y both are positive and product is equal to 1. Product equal to 1. xy, x into y, capital letters. Okay. So that is also equal to minus pi by 2 comma if x comma y both are negative and xy is equal to 1. This is the most small important formula. Okay. Next, here the quadratic equation, given equation, let it be f of x is equal to x cubed plus b x square plus c x plus 1. Okay, it is equal to 0, cubic equation. Now put x equal to 0. It is something different approaching to find the nature of alpha. Remember, f of x. What is the need of going through this way? Here we are having in one case plus pi by 2, in another case minus pi by 2. Both are negative, both are positive. Let us compare with this is capital X. Let it be capital X. It is capital Y. Now I am trying to find whether alpha 1 by alpha means x comma y are positive or negative. I am trying to find whether they are positive or negative. Okay, it is enough to find alpha whether it is positive or negative. Definitely according to that we can say 1 by alpha is positive or negative. Let it be. Okay, x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. So f of 0 that is equal to x0 0 0 1. 1 means it is positive. So therefore f of 0 is positive. So it is essential condition. Next, put x equal to minus 1. Then f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cubed minus 1 whole square plus 1. You come here. Plus 1 means plus b. Next minus c plus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Then f of minus 1 b minus c. It is given that actually it is given b is less than c. Means what? B minus c is less than 0. So therefore f of minus 1 is less than 0 means negative. So therefore on the graph x-axis, y-axis, this is at x equal to 0. F of 0 positive. F of 0 positive means above the x-axis. Means f of 0 1 means let it be 1. This is positive. Next, at x equal to minus 1. F of minus 1 is negative. Negative means it should be towards y dash. It may be like that. Okay, then the graph will be like that. So therefore what I am telling that in this area, so f of minus 1 is f of 0 is positive. Here f of 0 something value is positive and f of minus 1 is negative. F of minus 1 is negative, or it can be 1 minute. F of 0 1 minus 1 is negative. At minus 1 it is negative. So definitely the graph will be like that, because particularly what is the value of f of minus 1 we don't know, but we know that it is negative because one condition is there, b less than c, but he didn't give the particular values for b comma c. That's why we cannot draw here. So this is the correct graph. So therefore what I am telling that in this interval means 0 to x0 to means open interval of minus 1 comma 1. One root is there. Only one root is there. 1, 1, root means real root, one real root, that is alpha, and this alpha should be negative, means that in this area, one root is negative, means it should be in this area. So what I am telling, that alpha should be negative, it is final. So therefore from the two statements we can say that alpha is negative. Alpha negative means that 1 by alpha is also negative. Alpha, let it be capital X. 1 by alpha, let it be capital Y. So this is the case, capital X, capital Y is negative, and capital X into capital Y equal to alpha into 1 by alpha, means alpha cancel, it is 1. So therefore x comma y both are negative, and x into y is equal to 1. So in this case, therefore tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, means 1 by alpha, is minus pi by 2. So which option is right? Second option is right. Over.